It was a rainy, quiet evening, until we heard something. A tiny meow. A small cat was stuck high up in the tree, scared, but the wind picked up. The branch shook, and the cat started to lose her balance. The rescue team arrived, lights flashing, calm and ready to help. One rescuer climbed carefully and spoke softly. "It's okay, I've got you." She was wrapped in a soft towel and carried down safely.
You're being very brave. Let's just make sure this.
The doctor checked her paw, just a small injury, a gentle bandage, and she was okay. After treatment, they offered her food.
You're safe.
Cat back with her family. They thanked the rescue team so much.